Take off these 2 screws. Then what you're gonna do is we're gonna reroute this wire so you don't see it. It's all gonna be up here. So we're gonna lift, take out the 2 filters. And we're gonna pull this thing. Gotta pull it. And then when you're pulling down here, you wanna make sure you clear that vein. Clear this vein. Okay. And then there's one more vein. It's okay, it's okay. Ready? There you go. It's always a pain to get off, but once it's off, it's off. So that's the front cover, or whatever you want to call it. So now we're gonna grab this thing here. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is, what I found to be the most optimal way of routing is first you're gonna disconnect it. And then you're gonna, I was routing it from back here, but I'm gonna have to pull it out and reroute it because it didn't end up the way I wanted. After you do 4 of them, you start to figure out ways to get to the end goal. Okay, there we go. So the CN105 plugs in there. So you just push it in. Then you're gonna drag this thing over here. And then you're gonna follow that wiring you see here. And keep following it. Put this remote sensor. What I'm gonna do is put it right here. There's a little channel for it. So now, once it's in here, I'm gonna start snaking it this way. Okay. Now, once we're up here, I'm gonna push against the back so that it kind of squeezes back there. And then I'm gonna flip it down here. Now I'm on the top coil area. There's this little hole right here that what I found to be the most optimum way of routing this thing. So you push it right there. So now when we clasp it, we'll put this right here and then in a profile like this. So watch and behold. So now that we have this set up, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. And we just wanna make sure that all the cables are tucked in before you put this on, because if they get untucked, then you're just gonna end up doing double the work. I'm also gonna move this so it's not in the way. Gotta grab 2 hands, firmly start to feel my way. It has to be a smooth touch. So once I'm in, I will feel that fall into place. And then what you do is you grab this here. There, you see that? You feel that clasp? That clasp is what you want. And then over here, you go. Hold on a second. Okay. Now that that's there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little sticky. I'm just gonna reroute it like this. I'll put it right here so that it's like this. And you plug it right in there. There you go. Set up. Now, I just want to make sure that everything is fit into place. Okay. All right, now we're going to put the filters back on. Those are done. This is done. That's locked up. I'm gonna drop it. Now, I'm gonna turn it on outside, and then we're gonna do the programming feature we did on another video.